Came out real good. All right, what's going on, Mike?
You ready for this?
Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Let's start with the good stuff. Wow, that sounds amazing.
Huh?
That sounds really good.
Yeah, I'm proud of it.
Yes, sir. This engine and chassis came out really nice. I like it.
You know what I like about it is it's a roller motor, so you don't have to worry about the zinc in your oil. And
yeah.
It runs all. It's a little more modern than the other.
Yeah, sounds like it's going to be a absolute beast.
Yeah, a little more than I started out to do.
Let's take a look at this cab over here. Now, last time we saw this thing, we were riding around in it.
Yep, I took you for a ride in it.
That was a fun ride, by the way.
I had to take it off. I replaced the cab corners before I took it off the frame.
Okay.
Because I didn't want any twist out of it. I wanted it while it's still bolted to the frame.
Yeah.
I replaced this whole side. Actually, both sides. The front door post, the bottom half of it, I replaced. The step I replaced. The rear cab corner, both sides I replaced.
Yeah, you did good work. And you did that center. There used to be a manual transmission in there, huh?
Yeah, it was screwed in the cover,
Yeah.
but I welded it in because I wanted it to be a little more rigid.
Okay, yeah. That will definitely sturdy up the whole thing.
I'm running an automatic, and by the time there's another standard put in it, I'll be dead. So.
The way things are going these days, nobody will put a standard in it. Nobody will know how. Nobody will drive it, buddy.
I'm trying to get this frame stripped. This cab stripped down so I can get it primer.
Okay.
I'm hoping to get it primer by tomorrow, and I can start blocking it out. I'm gonna block the firewall out and get it. I got the paint bought and the clear for the firewall.
Right.
And then I'm gonna set it on the chassis, on the new chassis.
Get the underside done first, and then get it rolling around, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, neat.
I've got some plastic, and I'm gonna cover the chassis completely up with plastic, and then set the cab on it on top of the plastic, so I don't get any overspray.
All right.
And it's thin, so I can cut the plastic away without having to take the cab back off.
There you go.
Pull it loose.
Yeah. You really done a lot of work to get all of this bare.
A lot of welding.
Yes, sir.
So far, I've used like 3 tanks of gas in my welder.
Oh, wow.
Just fixing this cab.
Yeah. And we're seeing it at a pretty advanced stage. You're kind of going back together now instead of taking it apart. That's neat. And this is part of the cab conversion, right? That's here?
Yeah, part of that Easy Swap chassis kit came with this insert. And I had to cut this firewall out where it was at before because the steering column, the brakes were on the frame.
Yeah, they're all like the old school stuff.
So now, and I've got, hang on, I'll grab this. See my new pedals?
Oh, neat.
We're both riding on the back side of this and underneath the dash. So, you know, I'm going now with the power booster and master cylinder.
Okay.
Out here instead.
For that auto
instead
box.
of the frame.
Rather than the manual. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Plus, you know, you got that master cylinder frame, it's hard to bleed.
Yeah.
Because it's actually lower than the calipers.
Yeah. That's strange. It's all in pieces, huh?
Yeah.
These fenders look great.
Well, they still got to be. I got to finish blocking them out.
Right.
That's the second coat of primer.
Okay. Cool. So this is you're gonna prime it over there, and the color you said you were gonna go with on this is that.
It's a gunmetal gray. It's called 9mm.
That's real gunmetal.
It's the color.
Very cool. That's gonna be a good looking throw.
It's actually an Eastwood color, but I went up to in Plant City. I got the guy to match it.
Okay.
So I'm not buying my paint from Eastwood, but it's the same color.
Okay. 9mm. Sweet. This is gonna be beautiful when it's done, Mike.